Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok without viewing their profile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in now. I'm going to open up the TikTok app here. I'm on my iPhone. You can do the same steps if you're on an Android as well. Now that we are on here, let's tap your profile at the bottom right. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to disable profile views. So at the top right, those basically two little feet, I'm going to tap on it and tap on the gear at the top right, and I'm going to toggle off profile view history by turning this off. Essentially what this means is if I go to anyone's profile, it will not show that I have seen their profile. Keep in mind there's no way to block somebody unless you go to their specific profile page. So the best option you have is to disable profile views. Quickly go to that profile and block them, and then you can enable profile views again. So let's go home. Let's say tap on the specific profile and the share button at the top. Right now I will tap on block here and block, but this person, since I have disabled the profile views, will not know that I've ever visited their profile, and then I can always just go back, tap on profile at the bottom right, tap on the 2 feet at the top right here, and I can now turn this back on and turn this profile viewing back on, and they will never know that I viewed their profile before blocking them on TikTok. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and I'll catch you on the next one.